Whenever a recipe calls for single shots, let split shot be your answer. Every home barista loves the naked portafilter because it empowers you with real-time feedback as to the quality and progress of your extractions. But what if you'd like single shots? Too fussy? Well, I agree. So much so that I used to avoid recipes that called for single shots. Instead of a couple of cappuccinos through the morning, I'd settle for a flat white at breakfast. And when a coffee friend comes over, we'd use spoons to taste an allonge instead of having two identical shots to savor. It felt like I was privileging the double shot when singles might have been more appropriate. And so, I decided to revisit the single shot. We're all familiar with the traditional double-spouted portafilter. It's tried and tested, especially in the cafe setting where the recipe never changes and frequency is high. But the spouted structure obscures your view of what's happening, leaving no window to observe saturation or even tell if channeling is present. You'll also notice that one side of the flow path often gains momentum over the other, resulting in unequal distribution between the two servings. I then turn to the espresso beaker. But because espresso is a stratified liquid, there was often a discrepancy between the proportion of crema versus body in the resulting cups. Surely, there must be a better solution. This brings us to split shot. It empowers you to choose a bottomless portafilter and still obtain single shot outputs. Simply use it like a cup to receive your espresso. One of its key features is the designated gap at the rear of the central divider, which forms a passageway between the two chambers to seamlessly equalize one body of liquid into two identical portions. Once you've collected your pool, simply tilt split shot and allow gravity to work its magic. And where this gap once served to connect the two chambers, it is now exposed to sever this connection and attain thereby two perfectly split shots. With split shot, simply hold, tilt, and pour. It is the perfect tool for every single shot occasion. So let split shot be your answer for all those times that call for sharing. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.